Hello everyone, welcome back. I already done this tutorial once and somebody asked me why I did not just add another node on the color page for each shirt we're changing the colors on. I didn't do that because when I tried it in either 18 or 19, I had no luck. Most of the time I would lose tracking in one of the nodes. So I always used the magic mask in the fusion page and saved them as a transparent video and stacked them on top of each other. And in fusion, I always had to use the saber node. Well, I didn't realize how much better this Magic Mask 2 is. Much better. So it does work that way. So I went ahead and redid this. I have a 20-second clip on a timeline. I'll go to the color page, right click on the node, add serial, and do the same thing. So we have 3. Click on the first one. Again, this tutorial isn't about how to use the Magic Mask. Everybody knows that by now, so we'll just continue on. And you can change the colors by using the gain or the gamma. I notice if we go up with the far left one, it kind of bleaches everything out. I've heard others complain about that. So if you take it down, it'll look much better. Now select the second node. Kind of like that one, it's kind of bleached out. Bring that down, look a little better. Now select the last one. Now I did have a little bit of issues with the third one that I did not have before when I did it. So I don't know how much more you can get away with. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.